Hello everyone, Natalie here from Serpstat. Welcome back to our channel. And for today's video, before we go ahead and begin our main agenda, let's say, I just want to guide you all to this lead generation tool that we have here in Serpstat.com. So all you have to do is just go to our website, and then you'd come across this landing page over here where you would see an ad that tells you can get actionable free SEO audit in less than 37 seconds. So all you have to do is just fill in the needed information right here and click on get your free audit. So by the way, this lead generation tool will give you white label audits for your website. So if that's something that you think your business needs, then definitely head on over to Serpstat.com right now. So another thing, I just want you to take advantage of this. We actually have this free guide showing you how Serpstat is generating agencies an additional $3,437,000 per month on autopilot. So just like what's above, all you need to do is supply the information needed and just click on the find out how button. So that's it. Pretty quick, and it will get you started on your journey with Serpstat. So if you're looking for a tool that will get you those white label audits that you need, then don't hesitate to head on over to Serpstat.com right now. So having said all of those, let's now move to the main topic of our video for today. Alrighty, so if this is your first time here in our YouTube channel, then I just want to give you a quick rundown on what we do here. Basically, here in Serpstat, we review SEO tools that are out in the market to help you decide which one is the right for you and your business. So for this specific series, we're doing Serpstat, but previously we have also done SEO tools like SEMrush, Ahrefs, Serpstat, SEMrush, Ahrefs, and some others, I believe. But yeah, once you have an account here in Serpstat, then you'd be given access to this dashboard, projects dashboard, right here, where you can see or you can create different projects depending on the type of businesses that you do. So you can group those, you can sort them out so that you'd be able to organize them better and see them better, so on the previous videos we have discussed about different ways on how you can manage your Serpstat tools, and we have actually started on the keyword research feature. Let's see, let me just click on this drop down list. Right, so the previous one that we did, or the one where we left off, was the search suggestion. So for this specific video, we'll be talking about the rest of these under the SEO research function of the keyword research tool. So let's go ahead and see what search questions is all about and what it can do. So you only have to enter any keyword and select a database. So from what I can observe here in Serpstat, you're only just gonna get a very simplistic tool. I've mentioned this before, but it's nothing fancy, not too many frills, or you don't have to supply a lot of things in order to make each tool work. So example for this one, just enter any keyword and then you select the database that you want to check. For this one, we're sticking with UK since we're UK based, and let's do SEO agency like the previous videos, and then just click search, and then you'd be given the results based on the ones that you inputted. So this is pretty much the same as I see. So this is pretty much the same as search suggestions. It's just that here you are given questions already, but previously on search suggestions you're given phrases where your given keyword is related. So here, actually here, you can filter that out as well. On the previous one, there was this option to tick whether you just want questions or you want to add questions to the list of phrases that they give. But for this specific one, it's only questions. So you'll be getting all of these related questions to the keyword that you inputted, so that you can utilize it maybe for any type of content that you do. And that way you can create articles or any write-ups really that you can use to improve traffic in your website and such. So that's it for search questions. I didn't expect this to look so much like search suggestions. So really all you need to do is determine what you need. If you need phrases or if you need specific questions, then it's already here for you. So I'm gonna cut this video here because I don't want it to be so long, and I'll come back with another video to tackle the rest of the functions here under SEO research in keyword research tool. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this one, and I hope you tune in on the next video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, of course, to our YouTube channel. See you guys.